Hello students, now we take a topic which is related to charge. Here basically we discuss about the topic charge distribution. Earlier we discussed a numerical in NCERT exercise 1.4 B part. In that part we discuss if Q equal to NE, we take Q equal to NE, quantization of charge, where N is very greater than E. In that condition we can't use quantization of charge, but there we use a concept, and that concept is known as charge distribution method, continuous charge distribution method. So this type of method divided into three types. For first type we discuss linear charge distribution. Linear charge distribution. In this method we take a normal wire and we use a small amount their length, that is dl. Total length we consider L. Total length we consider L. So here linear charge distribution divided as lambda equal to Q by L. We can say charge per unit length is called linear density of charge, which symbol is lambda. Similarly, for area we can use a rectangle or square shape surface, anyone which we use, and we take a small separated area like this. Total surface area we can say S, and a small amount area we can say is ds. So the surface charge density or area charge density is known as here sigma equal to Q upon S. So we can say charge per unit surface is known as surface charge density, which is denoted by sigma. And for volume we can take a cubical shape like this or cube shape, and we take a small amount of volume here. Total volume V, small amount of volume dV. Then we take here rho equal to Q upon V. So we can say volume charge density is known as charge per unit volume. And for a small amount we also consider for lambda equal to dq upon dl. For sigma dq upon ds, small charge distribution. And for rho dq upon dv. We can use or consider these values in force and electric field for charge distribution, which is shown in our PDF. Thank you.